Hi, this is Omar Al, certified of Vizrt. I want to show you today how we can understand the Z-sort, because one of the most headache for the designers when build the scene, they will face big problem with the Z-sort because they are not understand what's going on. Now, with simple way, I'll show you how you can understand the Z-sort. Now, we have, for example, this container, called it main, and we have two container 01 and 02. Sorry. By the way, if you want to go to the next container, you can just use the arrow key and go to the next one, 02. No need to double click or right click rename. Now, if I have image with transparency like gradient, or you have cutout images, you will face that problem. Now, if I have two different images, normally engine making the render from the fourth until the front, like 01 and 02, depend on the z-axis in the screen. But sometimes and many times the system confusion which one it must be the back and which one must be the front when the render ordering. So how the engine understand the place of the object? For example, we have the z-axis or z position. If I change the center of the object manually from the axis center, actually not affect on the Z-sort, because the system giving automatically center for each object. So the engine understand the Z position here, but it's not understand the around. For example, when I rotate the object, the system understand the center of the object and give the priority of the render depend on that center, but it's not understand that the side of the object is still in the front of the other one. So that's why the confusion for the system happened. Let me show you what this mean. Now if I'll push the object little bit, the center will be behind of the other object, but the side is still in the front. So we will face problem with the Z-sort ordering. If we see the container, the Argentina t-shirt, it would be like in front and the Brazilian in the back, but actually we have this part in front but the other part in the back. That's why we are facing problem here. How we can solve that? We will use, for example, this with the facing object. We will not face same problem with the facing object, not rotated object. If we rotate the main container, we will face same thing. If I change the order from here, which one in the front and which one in the back, the system no matter, because the render engine ordering automatically. Now with the Z-sort, I am forcing the engine understand the Argentinian in front and the Brazilian in the back. If I switch it, the problem it would be happen because the Z-sort plugin forcing the render engine to stop ordering automatically for these containers or the children container of the main container that using the Z-sort. For example, if I have, now I'll solve this problem. If I have these two objects inside container. Inside the main container, the problem will happen again because the plugin effect on the main containers but not effect on the children container. If I want to solve this problem, I have to put Z-sort here instead of here. Now if I remove this one, it's not effect, but this one it would affect. Okay, now if I have more complicated, if I have like another one, for example, and move it back, I need another Z-sort to be on the main because this container not child of this one, so it's not affected by this Z-sort, so I have to put another one here to affect. Now the problem is solved. If I move it up, it would return back, but I order it manually and tell the system that this front of the others. I need to move this from the main container to child that contain these two containers. Remove the Z-sort. Now we have correct Z-sort. With this idea, you can reflect it with the other complicated object. If you have any question, just send me send me the images or snapshot what you have problem, and also a snapshot of the tree, and I'll I'll try to help you to solve that problem. I wish you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any question or any parts of the Vizrt you want to understand, just send me email that mentioned at the end of the video, and I wish I'll respond fast. Thank you for watching and have a good day.